It's looking pretty good. Have so much to give, but so much to receive as well. Like, I've got the jacket on, and I'm gonna be really honest.
Like fixing the pleats, like stop it from moving.
Why don't you connect the pleats? You want to do that?
I did it already, but it kept on moving. That's one.
Only you. Yeah. That's exactly what I'm going to think you're going to do. Oh my god, that's too funny. That would scare the life out of me. See, you got it. I can't.
Finally, fuck me.
Just go all the way down. Look at it, it's more. Are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah.
Basically what I did is just coat it all silver and we put masking tape inside so it doesn't affect the inside bit. It's looking pretty good. Right, that looks a lot better. And then I'm just gonna tack it together. I had like another, because basically I wanted to do 3 and 3 together, but I had another little padding because I've only got 5 here, but I can't seem to find where it's gone. So I'm basically just gonna roughly go through it and just hold it together by going around in it like so. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it's just for it to hold together quite nicely so it doesn't move. I've actually never used this sort of padding before either. Usually I use the fabricated material, but this one is quite fun. It's It's very spongy. So we're just going to do that really roughly. Right, so we're just putting the shoulder pads in, and what I've had to do is I've folded it in half, and either I could make a little notch or I've pinned it. Because it's a bigger, thicker fabric, I have just pinned it in this case. But folding it, pinning it, and then I'm just attaching it to my shoulder seam so that the bigger, thicker side is towards the arm, like the sleeve, sorry. And I'm just pinning it. The thing is, it's such a thick padding that it doesn't like when you tug on it much. Not necessarily tug on it, but like as in pinning and things. It's not really enjoying that. Okay, so we are almost done with this. I've just got to hand sew the zip together, and then I think I'll be done, and add the buttons as well. And then I want to really quickly do the hat, which is the aim. I could run upstairs and start like doing the embroidery on the thing, but because it's a simple one anyway, it's not going to take that long, so I think I'll just wait it out and finish this so I can get one thing out of the way, because yeah, it shouldn't be too bad. And I was just thinking as I was picking up the camera, I thought, wow, like I really have a hard time giving myself a bit of credit for the work that I put in. And this jacket is obviously really exciting and experimental, and I guess I was kind of worried that it's something that you still yet can't wear. Like, how do I fuse making something that's wearable but really unique? And I feel like where I brought this idea, I don't particularly feel like it's something that you can wear, because it has such a weird you know, approach and like silhouette, I guess, which is fine. Obviously I'm not like complaining, but I'm just saying that it's, you know, it wasn't what I was looking at, and like the idea that I had in my head was going to be a lot better. But like when like you hear other people's feedback and people are like, oh, this bottom bit looks like, and like I guess it kind of feels like I didn't project the idea as I wanted to, which is fine, and everything's fine. But yeah, I don't give myself enough credit, and I've worked so hard, and I'm not that fast and at producing work, and I'm good, but I've got some work to do. Look, my feel like I need to pat myself on the back a bit. And I also haven't slept much, so I don't feel particularly great right now. I feel kind of either hungover or slightly loopy. But yeah, I don't know. I guess I get quite excited that one day in the future I will look back at this and I'll go, like, are you serious? Like, you were literally a student thriving and now you're a flipping fashion designer thriving. Like, and just being really open-minded and kind and just, you know, have so much to give but so much to receive as well. Like, you know, you can just do so much from just listening in and like learning, and I feel like I can't wait to do some of that and like I just can't wait to meet like amazing people. Like, that's what I'm excited about. I'm really excited to like make like actual genuine friends and like people that really get me on a spiritual level. Like, I think that's what I'm like craving, and I know it's out there, and I know there's other people with like a similar like mentality, and like I think that's what I'm just like thrilled about. Like, I'm excited, so it'll be good. Right, I've got the jacket on, and I'm gonna be really honest, I'm not sure when it's done now, but I think if I give everything a good press, it might be alright. Do a little more. And then one with the shoulder, like the collar dart.